Dream, love, live beautifully. Hicocu is designed to make women more charming. Most of our products are exported to USA, Europe, Middle East, Australia, and Russia. Hicocu Lashes Factory Company has been a leading professional eyelash supplier all over the world since 1997 in China. We specialize in manufacturing good quality, best eyelash extensions, wholesale mink eyelash extensions, wholesale silk eyelash extensions, 3D mink lashes, volume eyelash extensions, camellia eyelash extensions, 25mm mink lashes, flat eyelash extensions, and colored lash extensions, and so much more. Our working principle is, quality is our life, and beauty is the cause of our lifelong struggle. We have created the quality management system of the contract system with strict testing and inspections that are carried out for each product. We have a highly educated style and the technological research and development team with a high degree of sensitivity and control over fashion and beauty. With years of experience in this field, we have the ability to provide good service and products at a low cost. Our raw materials, packaging materials, and auxiliary materials production process meets the quality standards of KSA 14001:2001 ISO 14001:1996, EN71, REACH, ROHS. As one of the biggest and most professional eyelash extension manufacturers, our factory's aim is to manufacture the best quality eyelash extensions at competitive prices and offer the best private label OEM/ODM service. Hicocu, dream, love, live beautifully. Beauty is the cause of our lifelong struggle.